Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome on tours. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to take a little walk up the promenade. We're in the beautiful Marmaris today, Turkey. So let's see what on. You know the vibe. If you haven't visited the channel before, we basically go around, see what there is. We do beach walks, we do nightlife, restaurants, excursions, the whole lot. So do check out the rest of the content. There we go, it's a nice little pool bar. So this is Pasa Garden Beach Hotel. Nice. And then you've got the beach just there. Really nice. Okay. And then we got Just. Hello, you're alright. What's the offers in here? Is there any sort of entertainment? Do you guys do entertainment in the evening?
Yes, we have the light music,
Yeah.
saxophone music.
Lovely.
Have a
And
great day.
2-for-1 cocktails, all the normal?
No, we have
No?
only one.
Only one in this one,
Yeah.
but good prices, good
Of course,
cocktails?
of course.
Okay, only the best. Thank you.
And in half an hour, it's
Yeah.
gonna be like DJ. It's gonna be saxophone.
Oh, okay.
With saxophone music.
Saxophones are nice. And then you've got your beds as well. Are they free of charge?
No, free.
Free, yeah. Perfect.
Only you get your drink, that's it.
So as long as you buy a drink,
Yeah.
you've got a chair. There you go. Thank you very much. Have a great
Bye.
day. Thank you. So you've got a water park there. It's quite cool. So let's have a quick look at this one. So somewhere to lounge. Okay, so it's not bad. Something to do, especially if you've got a family or you have a group of friends. Very nice. Someone there, Paraguay, is it Paraguay? Parasailing? I can never get them blooming right. But the one where you're in the air, basically. That makes any sense. Make it make sense. I've adopted a northern accent because I've been hanging around lots of northerners and I literally become a chameleon, so I do apologise if my twang is off. Nice apartments up there, look at that. It's a beautiful balcony, nice in the private views or panorama. I'm also tired. The Turkey nightlife is real, people. You got a soft play game centre as well. Oh, there we go. So Atlantis Water Park, let's have a look. So you got the black hole, splash boat run, super slide, restaurant bar. Nice. Yeah, it'd be alright if I go up and have a look, thank you. How much is entry?
How many people?
Well, I won't be doing it today, but if I did, it'd be 2 adults. How much?
Let me help you about price. You want to first or?
How much would it be for?
First or?
Oh yeah, I'll have a look first.
then
Thank you. There we go, a little restaurant. So this is the Atlantis Water Park. Let's have a quick look. So it's good that they give you the option of looking first. Let's see if it's worth it, and then we'll find out the prices. There we go, beer, food. So you got your normal lockers, showers, changing rooms, first aid, soft play area. Again, that's good if you come with a young family. Oh, quite cool. Wow, look at that one. Okay. Oh, that's good. I feel like I'm quite spoiled because I do Science Park in Tenerife. If you want to check that out, we've got a video on the channel. Really worth the look because we've got most of the rides on there. But that park has ruined it, I think, for everyone. It's such an amazing park. But it's good to know if you come here, you've got that option. Some people love water parks. And then you've got the big pool. Oh, and everyone having fun. That looks really good. Right, let's get those prices though, most important. yeah, it's good to get out of there, find out how much this is going to set you back. Thank you.
Right.
So how much is it?
£26 for adults.
And it's whole day?
All day, open 10 o'clock to
Yeah.
5 o'clock.
Lovely.
You can stay all day long, and you can do in and out.
Ah, okay. Perfect. So you've like a day sort of pass.
Local is also free.
Yeah.
Open
Perfect.
every day.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. There you go. So 26, that's not bad. And you get to come in and out as well. So it's like a day pass. You're not restricted to staying in there. Not bad. Not bad at all. So we've got Blackpool, bit of home from home. Restaurant and bar. You got Miss DCB. So they've got some acts on. Hey. Looks like they've got a pool at the back there as well. It's a really nice area. Really, really nice. Let's keep walking. So don't get to comment below if you've been here and or if there's anywhere else you'd like us to go. And again, subscribe, like, it really does help the content and it just helps more people see what we're doing and just helps us improve. This is all we're trying to do. This is our first time in Turkey, Marmaris, or Turkey I should say. Marmaris is the first destination that we've been to. A lot of people say they really like it and they're sort of repeat visitors. We do want to try Antalya as well. We've got a friend staying there at the moment who's said good things. So I think Turkey is definitely going to be another visit. When we'll do it, I don't know, but possibly this year, maybe next. We've got quite a lot of stuff booked. They are doing a lot of building work. We actually found out that because obviously it's a very touristy area, and all the building work does come to an end in a couple of weeks because they're not allowed to do it during peak time. So this time of year you might have, hello, I'm good, thank you. Good, thank you. You might have a little bit of sort of building work where you're staying, but that's not really an issue. It's not during the night and they don't start at crack of dawn. This is nice, you've got like a little walkway that goes out. See all those boats, there's a cool like purple car over there, I hope you guys can see that. It's like a grainy beach. Yeah, it's really nice. Let's have a little quick step out there and have a quick look. Okay. So you've got a ramp, so good wheelchair access. Or if you've got a buggy. It is quite choppy. It's windy today, but it is sunny. Oh, it's nice. You've got these little beds. Really good. Then you've got the boats. I'm going to walk all the way to the end. Ooh. So I hope you guys can hear me. I've got a mic on, but like I said, it's a little bit windy as we're coming out. But yeah, look at those views. Gorgeous. Okay. Huh. And that's the car I was talking about, little Hello Kitty one. You've got jet skis as well. Yeah. Really nice. There's another one over there as well, so it's obviously a little similar theme to this little stretch of beach. Again, I'm not a fan of sand. I do like going to the beach, but sand can be a bit annoying, so this is a nice little option. I'm not talking about politics. I'm not talking about. Right, let's keep going. So we just come from that way and we're still heading up here. Just check out this beach and promenade. Those chairs quite cool with the big wheels. I'm not talking about. Cause I talk about yesterday, today and tomorrow. Yeah, right, yeah, yeah. So they're going this way. Just another cool little pool area. Are you reggae man? This side's got a lot more sort of like pool bars. Show you guys. I know. Reggae man. Are you reggae man? Oh, we got the Irish pub Marmaris. Get yourself a Guinness. Are you reggae man? Hello. I'm good, thank you.
Hello from Irish Park, everybody. Come to Marmaris, we love you long time.
There you go, you heard it first. Come to Marmaris. Seems like I said, there's quite a few getting built. Whether or not this one probably won't be finished in that sort of time frame, but it's good to know that they'll stop when it gets really busy. So they've got like the floats out there as well, so you can go sunbathe on those. Quite nice. Oh, that breeze isn't going, it is really sunny. Same thing as I just went up before. Not as many bars, not a hotel along this side from the one that I did yesterday, which is a little bit closer to where we're staying. Oh, speedboat going off. Alright, so what have we got now? Also, there's like a fountain show as well, which we might do later. Comment below if you've done that. There you go, Water Diamond Beach. Okay. There you go, get all your excursions. I've got another car there. There you go, if you want to be on like a race car. Ice cream. What's coming up here? Volo Beach. Good prices. Looks big in there. Yeah, I'll do a little video inside. There we go, let's have a look. Thank you.
Me, your rep.
Really good. Massive. Little play area.
Yes, also here.
Okay.
And garden also.
Garden.
Bunlar bizim arkadaş rapper bunlar.
Nice. Very nice.
Here, kids garden.
Yeah, somewhere to play. Oh, okay, really, really nice.
And if you like family people come for kids, you sit there.
Yeah, and then you can keep an eye on them. Yeah, it's something for them to do whilst you can have a few drinks. Yeah, really nice bar, very big.
Pool table.
Pool table. Got a foosball as well.
Bar.
And yeah, massive bar. Really nice.
And also their garden.
Oh, okay, massive. And then you got stage as well, so you do lots of entertainment at night.
So for example, tonight Bob Marley show. Live music.
There you go, bit of Bob Marley, I like that.
Jammer.
Yeah, I'll come and see him jam.
Tonight.
There we go. So you got John Paul Reggae and Scar Night.
And every morning breakfast for £4.
That's a good price. And you got bacon, egg, toast, beans, the whole lot. Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
Oh, you too.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. That was lovely. That was a really nice one. And they've also got like more outside area here. I'll put the camera up so you guys can see. Really nice. So lifeguards as well, always good to see. Getting warm. It's Green Nature Diamond. Yeah, it's part of a hotel. Oh no, it's a Del Volo, so massive. And again, it's got a little park, water park on it. I think when you come with like your family or like little ones, it's really important to make sure you've got a hotel that's got entertainment and stuff that they can do. Because I think if it is just like a generic pool and stuff, they get a bit bored really easily. I mean, they just can enjoy it, but I think it's nice to have a little bit of variety. So the soft plays are really good. Keep going. Lots of green areas here, grassy areas. You got Demir restaurant and bar. Navi and Mojito. Looks like they do some nice steak. I'm good, thank you. Yeah, everyone's really friendly. Dance bar, pub. They've got a cabaret show. If you like your cabaret. And look who I found. Right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.